In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take over a space on the Wrike website. Whether you're transitioning to a new project or simply reorganizing your workspace, this quick guide will help you navigate through the process seamlessly. First things first, let's make sure you're logged into your Wrike account. Start by heading over to the Wrike website and clicking on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you'll find an option to log in using Google. Click on Google and then select the account you want to use. Wrike will automatically redirect you to your workspace, ensuring you have access to all the necessary features. Once you're logged in, navigate to the space you'd like to take over. This is where all your projects and related tasks are currently housed. For ease of access, you might want to bookmark this space or use the direct URL if it's available to you. Explore the space you're currently in and familiarize yourself with the layout. This can help in avoiding any confusion later on. After you've accessed your desired space, the next step is to review its overview. On the top right of your screen, you'll find an overview section. Click on Space Overview to get general insights about the space, such as current projects, tasks, and other relevant information. Familiarizing yourself with these details ensures you're fully aware of what you're managing in this space. With your space overview in mind, head to the top right corner of the space, next to the information icon. You'll notice 3 dots here which serve as the menu for additional options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labelled Export. This allows you to save all the current data within the space, making it accessible for future use or record keeping. Once you've chosen to export, you'll see another option to export to Excel. Selecting this option will start downloading the data in an Excel spreadsheet to your device. This spreadsheet will contain all the essential information from your Wrike space, organized for easy management and analysis. As a final step, it's time to import your data into a new space. The process is almost identical to the export process we just went through. In your new Wrike space, instead of exporting, you'll choose Import from the menu. Then locate and select the Excel file you just downloaded. Importing your data this way transitions all your content smoothly into the new space, keeping all your tasks and projects intact. After confirming everything is correctly imported, you have the option to delete the old space. This helps in keeping your workspace organized and clutter-free, allowing you to focus exclusively on the new space with all your imported data successfully integrated. And there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to efficiently take over and manage a space on Wrike. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.